combinations, and I turn them into delicious dishes. From Marty Supreme, it's Marty Supreme roasted butternut squash soup with herbed potato dumplings. He's constantly questing to become supreme. The dumplings, of course, are the ping pong, are Marty. When it comes to an actual soup, a savory roasted butternut squash soup, it's amazing. It's comfort. Adding the dumpling gives a little teeth to it. It's really, really, really good. KitchAnnette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.